In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import samples sounds into Soundtrap. We'll walk through getting into the Soundtrap studio and bringing in your own audio so you can start creating right away. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as your sample lands on the timeline, ready for editing and arranging. Start by opening the Soundtrap website in your browser. Any modern browser works well, and a stable connection helps the studio load quickly. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. This takes you to the Sign In options so you can access your projects and the studio. Choose Login with Google. This is a straightforward way to get in, especially if you already use Google for other creative tools. When the account chooser appears, select the Google account you want to use and follow the prompts. After a brief moment, you'll be returned to Soundtrap, signed in and ready to go. From your Soundtrap home screen, click on Studio. This opens the main workspace where all the music making happens. If you have existing projects, you can open one. Otherwise, entering the studio prepares a blank canvas for importing your sample. Give the studio a second to load all instruments and panels so everything runs smoothly. Next, head to the top menu and click on File. This is where you'll find project actions like saving and importing. Choose Import. A small panel will appear with options for how you want to bring your audio in. Before selecting your file, a quick tip. Soundtrap works well with common formats like WAV, MP3, and IFF. For best quality, WAV or AIFF are ideal, but MP3s are perfectly fine for sketching or quick ideas. Select Import to Audio Track, then pick your sample from your computer. After you confirm, the file will upload and appear as a waveform on your timeline. You'll see it on its own audio track, ready to play. Press spacebar or click play to audition it. If you need to place it precisely, you can drag the clip along the timeline so it starts on the beat you want. Zoom controls can help you line things up more accurately, and snapping to the grid keeps everything tight. If your sample sounds a bit off compared to the project tempo, that's normal when tempos differ. For now, focus on getting it into the session cleanly, then adjust timing and arrangement as you build your track. That's it. You've logged in, opened the studio, and imported your sample to an audio track. Save your project to keep your progress, and you're ready to layer drums, instruments, or vocals around your new sound. Happy creating!